This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Jamie Green. Welcome home to this fabulous home located in Powell. This beautiful home features the 5-year-old Jefferson A floor plan home by Smithbilt Homes. The inside is immaculate and still looks brand new. Home features 3 bedrooms upstairs, 2 full baths upstairs, and a powder room on the main floor with what could be an office or the 4th bedroom. The kitchen comes complete with quartz countertops, tile backsplash, large kitchen island, and all black stainless steel appliances to convey. Kitchen also features 2 pantries with one being a walk-in pantry. The owner's suite features an ensuite with a custom tile shower, jacuzzi tub, and tile flooring. Upstairs large bonus room will be great for a movie theater room or any of your entertaining needs. Level, fenced backyard with fire pit. Amenities include pool, pavilion, and basketball court. Convenient to shopping, restaurants, interstate, and much more. For more information